Yeah, my viewers and sub. You can see bad road condition. Cause a vehicle there for breakdown at the roadside. I hope the owner feed can fix it up back soon. Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back. I'm out in a Lyssons and I'm right in front of the Poinciana main road there, so where the community Poinciana, and most of the time the vehicle them have to take a shortcut through Poinciana. You know why they have to take a shortcut? Wow. Well, I want to not take no shortcut. I want to look like him have an emergency. But you know, most of the time why they have to take a shortcut through Poinciana, the community of Poinciana, because it is the most bumpiest part of road out here in Lysson. And I just take a walk on this road here. And I just go walk down it and look, because it is so bumpy that the vehicles them have to go through Poinciana and come out right above the school. Basically, them come out right above the post office. So, my viewers and subscribers, Big Super is down here. I'm in Lysson community. I take a walk. And I just feature this road here, you know. They just feature this section of Lysson. And you know, say, I believe that this road here maybe is one of the most bumpiest road, one of the bumpiest road ever. And the way it's so bumpy is that the vehicle them have to now basically divert themselves and I go through Poinciana. So my viewers and sub, Big Super is out here on the road, looking at the roadway and the condition of the road. And I don't know one opinion on shale, or them call it river shingle, but I think the river shingle is a better material for the road them in a St.Thomas than mall. Guys, I want to full up the comment section and tell me what you think out of the river shingle or the mall. Which one you guys think better? Center, what go on? You see the one of the mechanic out here. I work on a vehicle. What go on? Everything alright, Prento? Alright. I'm there I feature the road, you know what go on? Everything good? Yeah. Yeah man. But my viewers and sub. No time I lie, so I feature the road. And I bet him. Yeah man. Your girl love me?
I love you, she's Cuban.
She's Cuban?
You see her face when I time. She say, yo,
yeah.
Big Super, they work hard right now, go find something quick and fast.
Alright.
Big Super, big up yourself for the best.
At the
Big
best.
Super size.
Alright,
Fix the road.
Fix the road.
I'm mad out here. Look at the car.
Yeah, me see that the car down. At the road your car so.
At the road.
But me I do a feature upon there, so you say come feature yes are the most bumpy. Are you ball giant that? My God. The feature yes are the most bumpiest part of the road ever. Cause the vehicle must have turn to Poinciana. Yeah. Alright. Alright mechanic. Bless up yourself. Yeah man. Somebody has stretch out my leg on the stretcher. And some people are shout me and I call me and I talk to me about the road condition. Walk on my big boss. Alright. Yeah man, so this section of the road here, it look like it's one of the most bumpiest section of the road. Because most of the vehicle them have to divert themselves through Poinciana, the community, and come back out at the school. Hello mommy. Alright. So I just walk on it and I just look on it. I don't know why it's so bumpy. But look at the people that shake up my car and drop all asleep. Why me I tell you, the road really bumpy. Yeah, my viewers and so there's a copyright issue. Yeah, my viewers and sub. I hope me come out of the copyright issue. I may have to walk out of the copyright to come on, but me up on the Lysson stretch and I show you a piece of road where see the post office and my viewers and subscriber, the Lysson post office. Yeah man, I'm up on a stretch of road. But I show you also the vehicle them have to most of the time, them have to always bypass this piece of road here. Yeah, them have to bypass this piece of road here, my viewers and subscriber, and take it through Poinciana and come out right at this intersection here at all times. So I say this look like the most bumpiest piece of road out here in the eastern St. Thomas. So my viewers and sub, I want to full up the comment section and tell me if you don't believe that this section of the road here are the most bumpiest section of the road out in eastern St. Thomas. You can full up the comment section, see some vehicle bypass it and come back round through this side here. When you can full up the comment section and make me know, you know. For now, Big Super is on the road, my brethren. Yeah man, so far man. Yeah man, me have video the road.
They're not going good.
They're not going good.
They're not going good. They come like St.Thomas back at time and when 415 come from St.Thomas.
Boy, me I tell you.
Before they know this, they start standing the road first in a big machine.
Yeah.
They start standing the road first and then they put them all band up right there. And 4 them on the road.
Boy, alright. Yeah man, so you're our next man attack your mind. Everywhere I go, people attack their mind. I can't even get to end the blog. I end the blog anyhow, my viewers and so. See the school down there, so there. Yeah man, so them have to take a detour at all time. Big up taxi driver. Yeah man, so them have to always take a detour. So Big Super out here on the road. Yeah, out in Lysson. And me just feature a section of the road here where me notice a morning time when I drive past this side here. The vehicle them always a detour through Poinciana. So remember to like, share my viewers and stuff. Remember to subscribe. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember also to watch out my ads and my viewers and stuff. If you can't watch 2 ads, just watch 1 and support Big Super channel. For now, Big Super out in Lysson, St. Thomas. Peace out.